Isaac Newton, a name synonymous with physics, mathematics, and the foundations of modern science. Born in 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England, Newton was a man whose ideas would change the course of history. But who was Newton, and what made his discoveries so groundbreaking? Isaac Newton was born into a farming family but was never destined for a life of agriculture. At just 17, he attended Trinity College, Cambridge, where he studied the works of ancient philosophers. It was here that Newton would begin forming ideas that challenged the traditional beliefs of his time. In 1665, when the Great Plague forced Cambridge to close, Newton returned to his family's estate. These 2 years, often called his Annus Mirabilis or Year of Wonders, would be his most productive period. During this time, Newton famously observed an apple falling from a tree, which led to his theory of gravity. But gravity was just one part of his incredible work. Newton formulated his 3 laws of motion, explaining how objects move and interact with force and inertia. His first law states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. His second law, F equals ma, quantifies how much force is needed to change an object's motion. And his third law famously tells us, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These principles, published in his work Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, or simply Principia, became the foundation of classical mechanics. But Newton's genius didn't stop there. He invented calculus, a new type of mathematics essential for understanding change over time. Calculus allowed scientists to analyze motion, growth, and physical phenomena in ways never before possible. His ideas about light and optics, including his theory that white light is made of a spectrum of colors, opened the door to modern physics and greatly expanded our understanding of the natural world. Newton's impact on science was profound. His work paved the way for future scientists, from Albert Einstein to today's engineers and mathematicians. Gravity, motion, and calculus are still essential to understanding everything from planetary orbits to building skyscrapers. Without Newton, our technological world might look very different. Isaac Newton's contributions to science and mathematics transformed human knowledge and laid the foundations of modern physics. From his laws of motion to his discovery of gravity, Newton's genius continues to shape our world. So next time you see an apple fall, remember that one man's curiosity about the same simple event changed the universe forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.